Once Ram and Lakshman were wandering in the forest near Matang Rishi's ashram. They were actually looking for Sita, who was abducted by Ravana. While searching, they reached near Mother Shabari's hut. Shabari is known as one of the greatest devotees of Lord Ram. She was a tribal. She left her home and ran to forest because she wanted to save animals that were bought to get slaughtered on the day of her marriage. She took shelter in Matang Rishi's ashram. Once Matang Rishi told Shabari that one day Lord Ram would come here to meet her. From the same day, Shabari would get up every morning, collect lots of fruit, decorate her ashram with beautiful flowers, as she did not know the exact day of Lord Ram's arrival. She would do this each day and wait for Lord Ram to come and offer her salvation. She took a bite from every fruit she collected, to ensure that they were sweet enough for Lord Ram. She kept those fruits that tasted sweet. And threw those that tasted sour or that were not sweet enough for Lord Ram. The day came when Ram and Lakshman finally arrived at Shabari's hut. She could not hold her tears when Ram introduced himself and Lakshman. She was overwhelmed by their presence and sat near Lord Ram's foot. Shabari realized that Lord Ram must be hungry, so she offered the fruits that she collected in the morning. Lakshman, seeing that the fruits were half-eaten, asked Ram not to eat them. Shabari ensured that fruits were very sweet, as she had already tasted them. Lord Ram, without having any second thought, took a fruit and ate it. After eating the fruits, Lord Ram said that he had no words to praise them. She was overwhelmed and wished for salvation. Lord Ram blessed Shabari and asked her the way to reach Almighty Sugriv. Lord Ram left the ashram looking for Sugriv and in order to reunite with Hanuman. While they headed for Sugriv, Lakshman asked Lord Ram why he ate those leftover fruits. To which Ram said those fruits were sweetest because they had love of Mother Shabari in them.